Number 7, coins and notes. Let us study page number 40. Here it's a small skit, so I would like to explain you this concept with the help of a skit. आ रही हूँ। क्या है भैया?
अरे बिल दे दो भौजी।
कितना हुआ बिल?
450 और 2 रुपया।
450 और 2।
हाँ 452 रुपया कब दोगी?
अच्छा 452 रुपया। एक
हाँ।
मिनट, मैं पैसे लेके आती हूँ। ये लो भैया।
अरे छुट्टा नहीं है हमारे पास।
मेरे पास भी नहीं है छुट्टा भैया।
हाँ तो लाओ कहीं से, हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं है।
एक मिनट रुको, मैं मेरे बेटी को भेजती
हाँ ठीक है, ले आओ जल्दी।
देवांशी, will you go to the shop and get some change? 500 का change.
ओके मैम। एक्सक्यूज मी अंकल, मुझे 500 का छुट्टा दे सकते हो क्या?
देखता ना बेटा। एक, दो, तीन, चार, और कितनी पकड़ो? 20, 30, 40, 50 बराबर दी।
थैंक यू अंकल।
ओके।
Mommy, I got your change for 500 like you asked.
Okay, tell me, explain me.
And the 20, this is the 50 rupee note, and here are the 4 notes of 100.
That makes 400. Okay, 400.
Here are the 5 coins of 2 rupees,
Okay,
and here are the 2 coins of 10.
okay. So 400. Just hold this. 400, 450, 470, 480, 490, and 5 coins of 2 rupees. That makes 10 rupees. So 500 rupees. Thank you so much, Devanshi.
You're welcome.
ओके भैया जी, आपने कितना बोला था आपका बिल हुआ है?
452 रुपया।
452। तो ये पकड़ो, ये 100, 200, 300, 400, 50 और 52 ना, यानी 2 रुपया। सो 452 मैंने आपको दे दिया।
ठीक है भाजी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका।
शुक्रिया। So as presented in the skit, the change for 500 rupees can be 4 notes of 100 rupees, 1 note of 50 rupees, 1 note of 20 rupees, 2 notes of 10 rupees, and 5 coins of 2 rupees. This all together makes 500 rupees. Now let us find out what can be the change for rupees 50. So we can have rupees 20 note plus 1 more rupee 20 notes and plus 10 rupee note. 20 plus 20, 40 plus 10 is 50. So this can be the change for 50 rupees. What is the another option? This 20 rupees you can split into 2. 10 plus 10. This 20 also you can split into 2. 10 and 10 and plus 10. So 10 rupee note plus 10 rupee note plus 10 rupee note plus 10 rupee note plus 10 rupee note. 10 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 5 notes of 10 rupees gives you 50. There can be one more option. These two options are given in your textbook. You can further split this 10 rupee notes also into 5. 5 plus 5, that also can be changed. Like for example, for example here 20 plus 20 plus 5 plus 5, that also can be your another option of getting change for rupees 50. I'll just show you. Rupees 20 plus rupees 20 plus rupees 5 plus rupees 5. This can be the change for rupees 50. Now we'll find out the change for rupees 20. What can be the option? Here we can have ₹5 coin plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 4 coins of ₹5 gives you 20. Another option is ₹10 coin plus ₹10 coin. For your reference, I'm just writing rupees on top for you all to understand. Here also rupees sign. What is the another option? 1 coin of rupees 10 plus 2 coins of rupees 5 also gives you rupees 20. To find the change for the notes which are having lesser value, we can get the change as coins and currency notes which are having smaller value. But when you want to find out the change for the note which is having bigger value, coins will not do. We need notes which are having lesser value. So let us find out how many 20 rupee notes we need for making 2000 rupees. So you have to multiply this 20 with the such number whose product will be 2000. So here already you can see digit 2 over here. And so you have to find such number whose multiplication will be 2. So which number if you multiply with 2, your product will be 2. Exactly, 2 ones are 2. So 1. You have to take digit 1. And then you should get this 3 zeros as a total. Already 1 0 is here. So on this one you have to give 2 zeros. It means 100. So you need 100 notes of 20 rupees to make 2000. If you want to cross check your answer, you can multiply this. 2 ones are 2 and these 3 zeros 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 20 multiplied by 100, you get 2000. So you need 100 notes of 20 as a change for rupees 2000. Now let us see how many notes of 50 rupees we need to make 2000. So in that case, now you have to say the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. And you have to give one more 0 over here. To show this multiplication, we can do the rough column over here. To check your answer, as I told you in the lattice method, count the zeros 1 2 1 and 2 zeros, and 5 fours are or 4 fives are 20. So this is your answer. This is what you are finding out, 2000 rupees. So your answer is correct. 40 notes of 50 rupees will make 2000 rupees. Next, how many notes of 100 to make 2000? How many notes of 100 rupees you need to make 2000 rupees? Can you see this number over here, 120, this combination? Same combination you have to reciprocate. 100 was here, and 20 was this side. Now 20 will come this side, and 100 is already over here. You can see, as I told you, the product will be the same no matter the order of the number changes. Numbers are the same. Multiplicand can be can come in multiplier place, or multiplier can come in multiplicand's place, but the product will be the same. So 20 notes of 100 will make 2000. I don't think so you need to cross check your answer. As I showed you here, 100 multiplied by 20 gives you 2000. So 20 multiplied by 100 also will give you 2000. How many notes of 500 rupees we need to make 2000? Here again you have to multiply it with 4. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. If you want to cross check your answer, you can do it. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 5s are 20. So it means your answer is correct. 4 notes of 500 rupees makes 2000 rupees.